Hey everyone, welcome back. I've tested over 50 3D printers in my workshop and narrowed them down to the 8 best high-accuracy models, from beginner-friendly budget options to professional machines. I tested every printer for print quality, speed, ease of use, build volume, and value. Today we're breaking down the top 8 3D printers of 2026, from budget multicolor printers to pro-level machines. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, we have the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 Combo, my pick for best budget 3D printer for multicolor printing. The Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2 Combo might not be the only multicolor 3D printer out there, but considering the low cost, it's easily a standout in the market right now. During my tests, I was immediately impressed with the high quality of the models I printed. They far surpassed my expectations considering the relatively low cost of the 3D printer. Once I moved to a more stable environment and replaced the filament, these hairs disappeared. So be aware if your workshop or studio is prone to these temperature and humidity fluctuations. My advice is to make sure you keep your filament in excellent condition at all times. It's a minor issue that's easily rectified and understandable for a reasonably priced multicolor 3D printer that lets you print usable colored parts without breaking the bank. It's at number 8 because the high-quality multicolor prints exceed expectations for the price. At number 7, we've got the original Prusa XL, my pick for best 3D printer for engineering. The original Prusa XL takes 3D printing to another level, both in features and scale. This is one of the largest 3D printers that I have looked at and utilizes the latest Core XY mechanics that have been coupled with Prusa's innovations. Where it differs from everything else is that it features a multi-tool changer head, which cuts out the need for filaments to be loaded and unloaded during printing. In use, the XL impressed me from the outset with the speed of the changes, enabling the printing of prototypes in multiple different materials quickly. This machine is rarely out of action in the workshop and complements the smaller MK4S, which is utilized for speed and single-filament prints. In use, the design feels far more akin to professional workshop machinery than a desktop printer, making it an ideal option for precision engineering. It's at number 7 because the multi-tool changer head dramatically reduces multi-filament print times. At number 6, we have the Qidi Plus 4, my pick for the best 3D printer for precision. The Qidi Plus 4 is a great machine when precision matters most and you don't need multi-filament printing. Throughout my tests, it was the Plus 4's print precision that was the machine's core strength. In real-world projects, fine detailed parts come out clean and with fine detail. Dimensional accuracy was excellent, and this was shown with the brackets that we printed during the initial testing, as well as in the main benchmarking tests. This accuracy makes the Plus 4 a great option for prototyping, engineering models, and small batch production where parts must fit and function accurately together. The touchscreen user interface, robust slicing options, and filament sensors proved that errors were few and far between, with most initiated through user error rather than by the machine or mechanics. It's at number 6 because of exceptional print precision with excellent dimensional accuracy. Number 5 brings us the Prusa Core 1, my pick for best 3D printer for business. In my experience, it delivers the best print quality you can get from an FDM printer, with excellent mechanical stability and a workflow that enables you to adapt and add to the printer to suit the needs of your business. The integration with Prusa Slicer and Prusa Connect also enables an easy way to centralize management for print jobs, which in my case means that I have a Core 1 and an MK4 and an MK4S all running and controlled and monitored from the same system. This makes it a fit for small businesses or prototyping labs. As I've seen with the latest advanced printers, the Core 1 features automatic bed leveling, filament sensors, and advanced extruder calibration. And while it doesn't have AI cameras and monitoring as standard, from experience, it just doesn't seem to need it, as the room for fault is minimal. It's at number 5 because it delivers the best print quality from an FDM printer. At number 4, we've got the Bambu Lab X1C, my pick for best 3D printer for education. In my experience, the AMS system, AI-guided calibration, and enclosed Core XY build make it a great choice for use in the classroom or lab where consistency and reliability matter. The AMS, Automatic Material System, handles up to 4 filaments, enabling automatic color and material transitions during a single print. When the accuracy and speed are combined with AI-driven bed probing and calibration, the setup process is generally fast and largely hands-off, ideal when multiple users or classes share one machine. The machine is based on Core XY, ensuring impressive speed, meaning that simple single-filament prints finish faster than many budget alternatives without sacrificing finish quality. It's at number 4 because AI-guided calibration with hands-off setup is ideal for shared educational environments. For education, this JustWorks reliability is unbeatable. Coming in at number 3 is the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo, my pick for best 3D printer for beginners. This 3D printer is an ideal choice for any individual or business looking for an intuitive, compact, and beginner-friendly machine that provides the performance and accuracy to grow with your skills. From the first print, auto-leveling proves to be accurate and remains consistent, even after months of use. I particularly like the Ace Pro, Anycubic's multi-filament unit, and while it requires its own power source rather than drawing from the printer, it does simplify material changes and color transitions, enabling an almost ready-to-go out-of-the-box 4-color print solution. Print quality is generally good with minimal ridging, overhangs look straight, and supporting structures are able to be removed with relative ease. Though it's not as precise as ultra-high-end Core XY machines, it does result in decent quality prints, making it ideal for simple figurines, props, prototypes, and much more. It's at number 3 because it's genuinely beginner-friendly with intuitive setup and automatic calibration. At number 2, the Creality Hi, the best budget 3D printer. When I tested it, I honestly had to double-check the price because the print quality is far better than you'd expect at this level. It's become one of my go-to recommendations for anyone wanting affordable multicolor printing. The printer is quick to assemble and includes features rarely seen at this price: a solid frame, a responsive touchscreen, an auto-leveling bed, and even a built-in camera for remote monitoring. Print quality is consistently strong with excellent bed adhesion, and features like bridging and overhangs perform well. There are a few limitations. Dimensional accuracy can slip slightly on very fine details. The open frame design mainly limits you to PLA, and filament changes can create some waste. The Creality Hi delivers incredible value. 4-color printing, easy setup, and reliable results at a budget price make it a fantastic choice for beginners and makers who want to experiment with color. And finally, at number 1, the Bambu Lab H2D Full Laser Combo. This is my pick for the best 3D printer overall because it's far more than just a printer. It's essentially a 4-in-1 machine, combining 3D printing with laser engraving, cutting, and digital plotting through interchangeable toolheads. On the 3D printing side, it's extremely powerful. It supports 5 filaments out of the box, expandable up to 16, and uses a dual nozzle hot end that speeds up multi-material prints while reducing filament waste. The heated chamber and all-metal hot end also allow it to handle advanced materials like ABS and ASA with consistent, commercial-level precision. There are a few downsides. It's more expensive than most enthusiast printers, and the extra modules require a bit of workspace. But for creators who want maximum versatility and creative potential, the Bambu Lab H2D Full Laser Combo stands out as the best 3D printer available. Alright, those are the top 8 3D printers of 2026, tested and ranked. 3D printing has advanced fast. Features like multicolor printing and auto-leveling are now affordable and easier than ever. If this video helped, drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more honest maker gear reviews. Thanks for watching and keep making.